Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding venture, but it can also require a significant amount of financial investment. However, with the rise of technology and the internet, there are now many business ideas that require little to no upfront costs. In this video, we will explore 7 of the best business ideas you can start with $0 and no experience. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business strategy that has gained popularity recently, particularly with people searching for a cheap way to launch an e-commerce business. You serve as a middleman between the customer and the manufacturer while dropshipping. You want to avoid dealing with shipping or delivery issues or stock preservation. Instead, you set up an online store and find the goods to sell. When a customer makes a purchase, you forward the order to the manufacturer, who immediately ships the item to the customer. The difference between the wholesale charge and the retail rate is how you get paid. Dropshipping has a lot of benefits, one of which is how little early finance is needed. Since you don't wish to purchase merchandise, you won't need to pay for storage or transportation. Also, you can handle the logistics of shipping and transit, which could be expensive and time-consuming. Dropshipping also has the benefit of offering a great deal of flexibility. Since you don't need to retain any inventory, you can easily add or subtract items from your savings to meet your needs. Also, you can try out brand new items without buying a sizable stock. But dropshipping has its risks as well. Finding reliable suppliers is one of the major obstacles. Since you don't have to manipulate the transit and transport system, you need to verify that your providers are dependable and can provide top-notch merchandise in a well-timed fashion. Furthermore, given that so many people adopt the dropshipping business model, some areas may have fierce competition. Social media management. The advertising tactics of many agencies now heavily rely on social media, but handling social media debt may take up a lot of time, particularly for small organizations that still require a dedicated advertising and marketing team. Social media management is accessible there. A person or business must develop and implement a social media strategy to exercise social media control. This can involve creating content, planning articles, answering comments and messages, and monitoring metrics to track the strategy's success. Social media management is a great business concept for those who love social media and digital marketing. To get started, you don't need any prior training or expertise. Yet it's crucial to comprehend how social media platforms work and how to produce compelling social media content. One of the biggest benefits of social media management is that it can be done remotely. You can operate from anywhere as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. This makes it a fantastic option for those who need to conduct business from home or travel while painting. It would help if you were incredibly skilled at communicating verbally and producing magnetic material that appeals to your customer's target market to succeed in social media management. Also, you need to be able to analyze data to gauge the effectiveness of your social media strategy and make any necessary adjustments. Online tutoring. Recent years have seen a growth in the popularity of online tutoring, particularly with the spread of distant learning brought on by the COVID-19 epidemic. One-on-one or group tutoring sessions for college students can be delivered online using video conferencing technology and other online resources. Online teaching is a great business venture for those knowledgeable about a subject who enjoys working with children. Since you can pay from anywhere and create your schedule, it offers much flexibility. Also, college students with busy schedules or who live in remote areas will find online tutoring more convenient. You need essential knowledge of the context in which you will be tutoring and the ability to communicate with pupils before you can begin online tutoring effectively. A dependable internet connection, a laptop, and a webcam are important necessities. There are several ways to promote your online tutoring business. You can make a website or social media to advertise your services and showcase your knowledge. You might also contact nearby institutions of higher learning or network companies to see if they'd like to collaborate on providing online tutoring for college students. Freelance writing. For those with writing expertise and experience, freelancing is an excellent business option. Creating written content freelance for businesses or people is considered freelance writing. These could include product descriptions, blog entries, articles, website material, etc. One of the most real perks of freelance writing is that it allows much flexibility. You can create your schedule and work from anywhere in the world. Additionally, freelance writing might be a great way to support yourself while doing what you love. To succeed as a freelance writer, you must possess excellent writing skills and the ability to produce compelling material that appeals to your client's target audience. Also, You need to manage time effectively and adhere to deadline. You can market your freelance writing business in a variety of ways. Without spending money on websites or blogs, you can use writing to compile a portfolio of your paintings. You can also set up a website or a social media account to promote your services and display writing samples. You can also immediately reach out to individuals or groups to share your offerings. Virtual assistant. A digital assistant is a remote employee that provides administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses or individuals. Virtual assistants can handle various tasks, including appointment setting, email management, social media management, data input, customer support, and more. Virtual assistant offers have grown in popularity recently, particularly with the emergence of remote employment and internet enterprises. Virtual assistants are a great business concept for people who wish to work from home or travel, while they paint, since they offer flexibility and the ability to paint anywhere. To start a virtual assistant firm, you need good organizational and communication skills and the ability to learn new software and tools quickly. It would help to have a dependable phone, computer, and internet connection. There are several ways to sell your business as a digital assistant. You can develop a website or a social media presence to promote your business and showcase your expertise. You can get in touch with companies or individuals right once to offer your services. Affiliate marketing. A well-known business model is affiliate marketing, in which you market the goods and services of other people in exchange for a commission on each sale or lead you to produce. Making money online is great, especially if you have a website or a large social media following. To get started with affiliate marketing, pick a niche or subject that interests you and look for goods or services you could sell. You can accomplish that by signing up for an affiliate program with Amazon Associates or ClickBank, or contacting individual agencies. After choosing the products or services you want to advertise, you may produce material that includes connections to these offerings. This can apply to videos, social media posts, weblog articles, movies, or email advertising. One benefit of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to develop your services or goods, which can save you time and money. Additionally, you could make passive income if you have a strong following and can consistently produce leads or sales. Online surveys. Online surveys are a popular method used by businesses to get data and insights from customers. As a commercial enterprise concept, internet surveys might be a powerful way to generate cash via completing surveys for organizations prepared to pay for your opinions. You may register for websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research, among others, to start taking online surveys. These websites will pay you to do surveys and perform other tasks like watching videos and playing games. Online surveys are incredibly simple to complete and do not require specialized knowledge or skills. The remuneration may differ based on the website and the survey length. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And if you are looking for the easiest ways to make money from home, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.